Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your ChatGPT plan. So, if you want access to more features, higher usage limits, faster responses, and advanced AI models, you can upgrade your ChatGPT plan in just a few minutes. So, on desktop, search for ChatGPT and sign into your account. Once signed in, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Then from here, select Upgrade Plan from the menu. Now, in here, review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. So, here you have Go, Plus, and Pro. Right here at the top, you can also choose Business Plan. So, click on Business, and here are the prices and the plan. Then, if you want to upgrade, just click on Upgrade, or if you're using Personal or you want to upgrade to Pro, just click Upgrade to Pro. Then, confirm plan changes. So, here's the subtotal and payment method. So enter your payment information if prompted, then confirm the purchase to activate your subscription. Just click Pay Now, and that's it. So your new plan is usually activated immediately, and you'll gain access to premium features included with your selected subscription. And your billing cycle starts on the date of the purchase. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime through your account settings. So if you want to cancel your subscription, just go back to ChatGPT and click your profile in the bottom left corner. Then from here, go to settings, then go to billing, and under billing, scroll down and you should see cancel button. Just click that and click cancel subscription, and your account will be canceled, but will remain active until the end of your billing period. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.